Hey, what is up, investor? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis and a price prediction of Solana. Now, looking over at this graph here, what we got going on is we have our previous video that we did on Solana where I had put those different price predictions in what the price could possibly be going to. And what we're seeing is, well, the price has ended up falling right into our bear case. So, of course, that's the way the market is going. The price of Solana has been just on this decline. But let's look at that possibility about if we're going to be able to see the price of Solana start to move here a bit. So let's get into this. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story annihilate or just gently press that like button and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now let's get to it. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, Solana is down a bit more than 10% over this last 7 days. So it has been a pretty dreadful week for Solana. But I mean, many of these altcoins as well, they have seen some pretty large dips. And looking over at what we're currently seeing here, you can see how we had gone from that price that was at around $45 on August 12th. And we're kind of just floating up around that price, August 12th, August 13th. And then we ended up just falling through that, as well as the entire crypto market did the same. But could that correction now be in place to see the price of all these altcoins and Bitcoin and everybody else to start retracing these current losses and possibly start seeing the price of Solana to retest that $45 price? Now, obviously, when I had made the previous videos and I had made these different possibilities about where I would think the price would go, I thought that a neutral case would have been that we would have seen the price of Solana to trade sideways. But after Jerome Powell on Friday had announced that there was going to be more raises in interest rates, that just ended up taking crypto down even lower. And that whole uncertainty about what the future brings with interest rates and inflation is what is affecting the market right now. If we knew when the interest rates were going to stop, or if we knew that the inflation was going to continue slowing down, then we would see an entire different performance within the crypto market and in the stock market. But that uncertainty is what is really affecting things at this moment. So that's what's taken us into this bear market level. And plus the price of Bitcoin dropping more is another thing that has taken the price of Solana into this level as well. Now, looking at the Fibonacci retracements from where Solana was at in mid-June, where the price was around $26, to where we had seen Solana's high within this Fibonacci retracement, where it was at around $45 or so at that time. So what we're seeing is that currently the price of Solana has fallen about 78% from this entire run that we had seen. So where we're currently holding at, we're holding at this current Fibonacci level right now. This is our support. We're really holding on to it because there's that possibility that if we're not able to continue holding on within this Fibonacci level, that we could fall through and we could fall down to that price of $26. That's a very bearish scenario that could happen. But let's see how things could be treating us if we have finished a 5-wave structure here within an Elliot Wave, and if we're going to be possibly able to start a new one here, if we have hit that low within this on August 28th. If that's the case, then if we're starting a new wave right now, then where could this be taking us? Could we start climbing back through these different Fibonacci levels and then getting that price back to $45 or break through that price? So first, let's bring in our first 5 waves. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this hopefully is our wave 5, as long as the price does not fall any lower. So from here, we would be correcting, and as we can see within this this corrective wave that we have now that we've started, A, B, then we're in our C wave right now. So this could possibly be taking us up to that next Fibonacci level, or possibly even break through that next Fibonacci level. And this will be our first wave within our next 5-wave structure. So if this corrective wave does take us into those higher highs, and there's that possibility that we could be hitting that neutral price prediction by the date that I had actually set by September 1st as the date that we could be getting there. So there's that possibility. Hopefully that is the case, and we do start to see that positive momentum within the price of Solana. But anyways, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. See you guys next one.